Hello and welcome to the presentation of this year's Designing Interactive System Capstone Project's prototype. We are Team 2 and our topic was to design a tool for the company EnBW with which users can work better from their homes in a remote setting. So our tool is called EnBW Connect and I will shortly present it to you now. So we are in the prototyping software Figma right now, and I'll walk you through how we imagine our tool to work and what the functionality is and how it can help nearshoring employees to better connect to each other. So first of all, we've got a classical sign up field where employees can sign up. They will land on like a home screen, and on the bottom right here you can see a big orange start button. If this is pressed, our tool first suggests a few questions, like what is the funniest story that has happened to you in the work context so far? And then we can read through other entries right here around the circle, but we can also contribute our own funny experience and save it right here. Then we can also answer a few other interesting questions, like what's your favorite place to travel to? As you can see, we have different options right here, like Paris, France, Crete, Greece, I'd rather stay at home, or again, we can contribute our own favorite travel destination, and that's another way to get in touch with your colleagues to have something to talk about. Another example right here is the question, what toppings do you like on your pizza? And we try to make it in a very appealing visual way. So as you can see right here, we have different kinds of pizza toppings suggested here, which are entered by other users, or in this case, colleagues. You can also enter, I don't like pizza, of course, but you can also contribute your own favorite style of pizza, like this. Then, when we've run through the setup process once, we get this message, great, we are all set up now, as you can see on the top here. We can make that disappear, and then we are on our home screen again. As you can see, we don't have the start button here because we are already set up. And then we have different options which we can do with EnBW Connect. First and foremost, we can use the Get in Touch button to get to this view. Here we have four different functions. First of all, we have the random coffee break, where we can schedule a random coffee break with a random coworker. We can select the time and date, and we can also toggle if we want to prefer to meet with a team member or with any member of the company. We can add the event, and then we get like maybe an Outlook or Apple calendar integration, and a calendar invitation is sent for the selected event. Another slightly different option is the Connect Me Now feature. There's a toggle switch, as you can see here. When it is toggled, we signal our colleagues that we are ready to talk right now, that we have like a few spare minutes, that we want to drink our coffee and think about something else or something, which tries to simulate the random coffee break in the office, for example. When you walk into the kitchen and there are some random colleagues that you want to talk to, then you can enable this. The third option is on the bottom left here, the event scheduler. We can create a random event or a planned event, like for example the Boulder evening here, and then we can add the event to the team calendar. And as you can see here, there was already the team up barbecue event, for example, entered here, and there we can add additional information and see what the team is doing in their free time. When we go to the pinboard, we can see the questions which were answered in the beginning and add in new stuff, like another favorite pizza toppings, for example, or just random stuff to talk about when meeting with your colleagues. Also on the left, you can see we have the profile page, which is preferably already pre-filled with the company data when setting up the account. And that last but not least, we have also the event tab, which you just already saw, but here it's just listed as another menu point. That's it for EnBW Connect. As you can see, it's a pretty simple feature, our tool with a lot of features, and we hope it can help to better connect employees which are working remotely from home.